An IP security camera with red and blue flashing lights, two-way audio, white lights for 24/7 color, IR lights for night vision, and AI-powered smart events, all for an affordable price? Say hi to the L8T-DT. This IP 4K turret is a powerhouse and a part of our new user-friendly and cost-effective line of security products, L series. This camera is perfect if you need an all-in-one security option that can not only monitor and record, but also actively deter unwanted intruders. The L8T-DT is jam-packed with intuitive features, but before we get into all of that, I'm Matt from Nelly Security, and on this channel, we equip security pros like yourself with the knowledge needed to use and sell top-grade security equipment. Subscribe if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. This turret has a beautiful 4K 3840 by 2160 max resolution, shooting at a crisp 20 frames per second. It has a 2.8 fixed millimeter lens, a speaker along with the built-in mic for two-way audio. With an IP67 weatherproof rating, the L8T-DT is built to withstand the elements. This IP camera uses power over Ethernet, or PoE for short, meaning all you need to get network connectivity and power is a single Cat5e cable. It also supports DC 12 volt if you prefer that, and the camera has an alarm in and out for hardwiring the turret directly into an external alarm. There are two modes for night viewing with this turret, 24/7 color or infrared. If you want 24/7 color mode on, the white floodlights on the front of the camera will turn on when it gets too dark, illuminating up to 100 feet and giving you a colorful image no matter what. If you would rather your camera be more discreet, or you just prefer the classic black and white night vision, turn on IR mode. With the infrared lights on, you can see up to 130 feet into pure darkness. When it comes to active deterrence, this turret has a lot to offer. The audible speaker has multiple different audible alarms to choose from, ranging from a siren, audio warnings, and even custom sounds. For visual deterrence, the L8T-DT has bright red and blue strobe lights that flash. If you have 24/7 color mode turned off, you'll be able to use the white lights on the front as active deterrence as well. You can have them flash alone or flash alongside the red and blue lights. When the active deterrence is linked to a smart event, this camera becomes a round-the-clock security guard. The L8T-DT has a wide assortment of AI-powered smart events to choose from. The artificial intelligence inside the camera lets you filter out humans in vehicles and can even tell the difference between the two, reducing the amount of false alarms. And if you're on the L series mobile app V24/7, you can set up smart events remotely and even get notifications right to your phone whenever a smart event is triggered. When it comes to storage, this camera has a MicroSD card slot that has a max capacity of 256 gigabytes of onboard storage. It is also ONVIF compatible, meaning it can connect to third-party NVRs, although we do recommend you connecting this camera to the L series NVR for full compatibility of features. Out of the box, the L8T-DT comes with a quick start guide, a mounting template, a weatherproof grommet, and screws and anchors. Let's get this turret installed outside. Note that the base of the turret doesn't have a rivet for snaking your cable connections out from. Not a problem if you're using a junction box or installing it over a hole that you've made, just something to take note of. Now let's hop on the web interface and I'll give you a walkthrough. To access the web interface, you will need to find the IP address from the L series search tool app, which can be downloaded right from our website. When you have the IP address, simply enter it into your browser's search bar. When logging into it for the first time, the default username is admin and the password is 123456. The L8T-DT interface has 5 main tabs. When you log into the camera, you will be brought right to the preview tab. You can see the live view and you'll be able to make quick adjustments from here. At the bottom left-hand side, you're able to toggle between mainstream and substream. Along the bottom bar on the right side, there's a start recording button for instantly recording video, a capture button for taking snapshots, there's a digital zoom button for a quick way to get a closer look at anything on the live view, and an audio button for live listening through the camera's built-in mic. On the right side of the live view, we have an image configuration section. This gives you a quick and accessible way to make adjustments to image settings. Notably, from here you can turn on and off wide dynamic range, and toggle through day and night switch. The playback tab is for scrubbing through your footage if you have a microSD card in your camera, but if you're recording to an NVR, you won't need this tab. The picture management tab allows you to quickly filter through specific smart event snapshots within your camera's playback database. The configuration tab is where you'll be able to set your smart events, active deterrence, 24/7 color or IR modes, and configure all other camera settings. Let me give you a tour. So in local config, you can set up the paths in which your snapshots and recordings will be downloaded to. In the system section, you can set up time and daylight savings. Inside of safety, you can manage your users. In the network section, you can configure basic network settings like IP, HTTPS, etc. And then we have our P2P tab, which allows you to connect the camera to your mobile phone for remote viewing via the V24/7 app. Simply log onto your app and you want to scan the QR code on the left side, fill out all the prompts, and then type in the verification code that can be found on the P2P page. And there you go, super easy. From the app, you can see your live view, playback, set intelligent events, link them to active deterrence, set your night viewing modes. You can even talk directly from your camera's speaker to visitors through the app. In email, you will be able to set up the email address in which you'll get push notifications to. In video and audio, you can modify the camera's video and audio recording settings to your liking. In image, you can configure image settings in the on-screen display. Notably, if you click on day and night mode inside of the image tab, you're able to set your preferred night viewing mode, white light for 24/7 color, or infrared black and white night vision. Moving on to event, this is the section where you'll be able to turn on your basic motion events or smart events, as well as set your arming schedules and link active deterrence to these events. The L8T-DT has a good selection of smart events to choose from: intrusion, enter area, leave area, line cross detection, loitering detection, and people gathering. I've personally seen most of these events in other cameras, except for loitering detection, which is a pretty cool feature. You can draw out a box and the camera can tell you how long a human has been in that designated area. You can set up the threshold of minutes and everything. For all these smart events, you can link a siren or audible warning, a white warning light, or the red and blue warning lights within the linkage method section. Keep in mind, in order to use the warm light warning, you'll need to set the camera's night mode to IR. When it comes to audible alarm warnings, you can toggle through these sound types and choose from a variety of them, and even record your own custom sounds from the V24/7 app. And the last main tab to cover is the maintenance tab. This is the place where you can get your device info, upgrade firmware, and reset to factory default. Now let's see some sample footage from this camera. And that's all there is for the L8T-DT. How are you feeling about this camera? Let us know down in the comments below. Leave a like if you found this video helpful. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.